Hey all, welcome back to the Layer Maker course. Today we're going to begin chapter 9, taking a look at connecting Layer via MCP so that you can begin to control and automate tasks using your local desktop model of choice. Today we're going to focus on using Claude Cowork and or Claude Code. Go ahead and open up your Claude and log in. Once you're logged in, you're going to be using this URL to reach out and connect to Layer via the MCP. I'll paste this in the description below. Go to settings, go to connectors, add custom connector, name it Layer MCP if you'd like, and paste the mcp.layer.team/MCP add. Once it has recognized connection, you should see the Layer logo here, connect, and it'll call out to Layer. It will open up your internet browser for you to confirm and connect to your active Layer account. You can set a token expiration. I would highly advise using the maximum allowable token expiration so you don't have to worry about resetting this up again, which is currently 1 year, and confirm the callback URL. And we recognize it is not suspicious. So we are going to connect and it will list your Layer account there as well. Once connected, you are ready to roll. Let's get started. We're going to start fresh with a brand new blank Layer project. We'll create that together. I'll also provide an Excel spreadsheet that contains data that we want to upload to this fresh Layer project. I'm going to walk you through how to set up the field structure in a blank Layer project, along with the category structure that matches the project intent. And we're going to leverage Claude Code or Code in order to help us align the column names in our Excel spreadsheet, format the data, and align it with the category field structure, our new Layer project. We're also going to go through the process of importing and uploading that Excel spreadsheet directly into Layer, mapping the proper fields and categories so that they align and the data transfers cleanly. At this point, we should all have Claude Code or Cowork pulled up, and we should be connected to Layer via the MCP. That leaves it for this first episode of chapter 9, controlling Layer via MCP. In the next video, we're going to work on creating a new Layer project, modifying and managing the Excel file spreadsheet, and executing on the upload of that spreadsheet to the new Layer project that we create.